So I was just opening my Lucky Blocks when I remembered that I hit 200 subs, and I haven't done anything for it yet, so that's what I'm going to do. I will be giving away all of these brain rots on screen to one of you. If you want to have a chance to win, just make sure you are subscribed and comment your username. And tomorrow at 3 p.m. EST, I will give it away to one of you. Good luck, and thank you guys.